Welcome to day 18.
18.
Welcome to day 18 of
It is day number 18. We're gonna open up this Jesus-themed advent calendar. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
Also, subscribe.
Yeah.
Is this it?
Hit that subscribe button. Hit that
18?
bell, even though the
Yeah.
bell might not work.
And-
but just do it.
And tune in tomorrow for day 19,
Also, hit that like button.
where I will be the same amount of sick.
Even though maybe the YouTube will get rid of the like button and the subscribe button, and maybe the comments too, and also the bell icon.
Today is a wise man. Look at how wise this guy is. Oh, wise guy.
The first wise man said, "I will bring a shiny gift of gold, for it will shine just like God's love for baby Jesus to behold."
Okay, let's open up that one.
This one's also from Precious Moments. We don't have to thank them twice.
Also, they forgot a comma too.
Oh yeah, they forget commas all over the place.
But
Can't
I
wait
would-
for the comments to be like, Emma's been sick for a long time.
You have.
You know, a lot of people in the written English don't really care to like put commas in their sentences or anything. Commas are the most important part of English, in
It's
my
a
opinion.
bear.
Someone is getting the softest new friend, a teddy to love, and on whom to depend.
Oh, that's just so sweet.
That's pretty good.
Jerky!
Meat time.
But they should have put a comma
What
there.
day on the meat?
18.
I'm sorry, I'm blabbing.
18, day 18. Today is sarsaparilla beef strips. Who wants some?
I'll have a tiny piece.
You don't want
Sarsaparilla
one?
beef strips. The fire.
Are you the crazy ass or the? That's my favorite meme.
Truck.
The past decade, probably.
Who wants one of these?
I wonder if yes, but
Man, you guys, neither of you spoke up.
wait, what's
during
what's
what I
the
asked.
what's the flavor here?
Sarsaparilla beef strips.
This is good.
Yeah, that one was pretty dang good.
That one might be the best one, honestly. I don't know why this sarsaparilla one.
Like
Were the other ones root beer, not sarsaparilla?
Nope.
What's going
Wait,
on over here?
one of them.
What's going on
One
over
was
here?
ripped.
Micah, stop it!
Because this is
Stop!
It tastes like sarsaparilla.
yeah, this is
There's
really
some
good,
sass-
honestly.
What
Sassy
Is
parilla.
sarsaparilla just like root beer?
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing.
Okay, that was pretty good meat. Okay, Micah's getting toilet paper all the way into the closet. Now I'm opening up my jewelry calendar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you gotta do that, Micah? It's a mess, Micah.
Mother, dude.
You should pick it up, Micah.
Micah's TPing our bathroom right now.
Okay.
This is pretty good. Micah made this?
This one is a little loop with 2 mittens attached to it. Are you cleaning? Okay, now I gotta open up day 18 on this.
So there's this artificial intelligence that completes sentences on the internet, and it's called Talk to Transformer. You guys should go there and put in just a sentence and let it complete it for you. I've written some pretty interesting stuff with it. It's very fun.
All right, this one is a red lipstick.
I want to put it on.
Okay.
Yep.
Am I beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me.
More beautiful.
Would you lick it?
I want to see how it tastes.
Sometimes makeup will taste good, but that's rare.
You didn't give me enough, and there's probably a few squats.
But
in
yeah,
there.
that was
There's a restaurant ads going on down here.
This is number 18, guys. We're going to be opening it up today. Because today is the 18th and definitely not the 9th.
Now make this boy stop making noise.
It's actually not the 9th, Noah.
Mocha.
What?
It's the 18th.
You're right.
Mocha.
This is just so weird. Okay.
Do it. Do it. Open it. Do it. Hurry. Faster. Do it. Do it. Faster.
doing it.
Do it.
It's Gouda! Woo!
Sure is, Micah.
Alright.
Gouda.
This is probably the second best cheese in this entire.
I want the smallest piece you can possibly,
Yeah.
you know, I don't know if this is the
You want some
smallest.
cheese?
Gouda my way.
Is this where you want to sit? Like this?
Oh yeah, do you want to give Father Par your Gouda?
That's alright, I don't care.
Yeah, that's
Adam's the best one.
really good.
You want some?
Personally, I like this more than Edam. I like H cheddar and Gouda more than Edam.
Gouda is
Edam
pretty good.
Edam has more of a complex flavor than either one. So like, I don't know. I don't know what it would go with, but Edam is good.
Okay, well, hand one of them over.
We're gonna be giving this to children in
Oh my
need.
goodness. Okay, so this is an Enchantimals doll lady with a sloth. Thank you, Mattel, for the free product.
That's pretty epic.
Turn me the back.
No, Mike, this one's a donate one. We're not opening it.
We like to give back to our local community.
Every year we donate a very multitudinous sum of
I don't know if we have enough money
toys.
to do that.
Well,
Well, I
we got
mean,
all
like,
these toys.
well, yeah, toys. I mean, but like,
What's this one?
this one's for Micah.
This one's gonna
Oh, God, let's open it.
Take this one piece of tape.
Oh, there we go.
Gee.
I don't know, but I see something.
BlipBlox! Ooh, actually, I'm super interested in this. I want to play with this too, Micah. If you'll let me, I want to play with this too.
Who's it from and what's that?
This is from...
This is called a BlipBlox, and it's from Playtime Engineering.
Thank you, Playtime Engineering, for the free product.
This is basically a child synthesizer.
Yeah.
What's it say about it?
So it's like a drone box.
The fully functional synthesizer for kids. In parentheses, and kids too hard. Kids at heart. I'm reading it upside down.
Yeah, I'm a kid at heart, so I want to try it out when Micah's done.
Wow, Micah.
Yeah, you look...
So the more you turn this up, the longer it's gonna sustain. And then this is the volume. This is snare drum. Oscillator control too. That's cool. Oscillator selector. That's cool. And this is the filter, so this is gonna be the one Mike is gonna like the most.
But you can audio out and
It's true music.
it's a game.
Alright, that's pretty dang rad. Wow, pretty dang snazzy.
Alright, thank you for watching day number 19. Tune in tomorrow for day number 20. We will definitely be here on the 20th of December.
Yes, we will be here tomorrow. Check in with us.
Alright, thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter. Bye.
That was very intense. Click the thingies. Or I'll hit you with one of these. Haha, it's too late.